so cold outside. Ooh. But anyway, do I make you feel cold? Alip Ba Ta, kupe mana kupe. That's right, always tastes better with coffee. And peace and love to everyone around the world. And I have to say sorry to all our friends in Indonesia, because at the moment another bad thing has happened. There's a volcano eruption, and I hope no one was hurt. But anyway, peace and love to you all, and we're praying for you here in Turkey. Wow, Indonesia has certainly been hit hard this year with lots of things. Plane crashes, earthquakes and floods, and you name it. There's a lot of stuff that has happened in Indonesia, and I pray that it all stops soon so they can move forward, because it's only the beginning of the year. Anyway, what do we have for you today? Well, I was going to do a song, but I thought I'll do something a little different. So while looking through Alip Ba Ta's videos, I came upon this one, and this one looks really interesting. It says Membuat Slider Gitar. Membuat Slider Gitar. I think it means making a guitar slider. That's right. I had one. I bought one in a guitar shop. It was so expensive, and it didn't even fit my fingers. But I'm actually looking forward to seeing how he makes this. And I've been in the glass industry for 32 years. I was a glass artist. I tried cutting bottles using a glass cutter and putting something inside the glass cutter to break the glass. It works, but it's not always perfect. So I'm curious to see how this works. So thank you for being here, and thank you so much for your support. Ben and I are so grateful to have you all as friends. So let's watch this video.
Oke, langsung aja saya akan menjelaskan.
I have no idea what he's talking about.
Ngapain hari ini?
But pictures say more than 1,000 words.
Saya akan membuat slider dari botol parfum ini.
It looks like a perfume bottle.
Cara dipanaskan dengan korek yang sudah saya modif.
It's got some cigarette lighters there. What is that on the end? Why did he have the paper clip there? I just don't understand.
Ini air putih biasa ya. Nah, ini cincin yang buat memanaskan nanti. Langsung aja kita copot.
Let me just stop it.
Ini botol parfum.
Let me stop this. Okay. For those who don't understand Indonesian, what he's done, I can see, I'm looking, he's got a piece of metal, quite thick indeed. He's made it in the shape of that bottle that he's holding in his hand. So he's wrapped it around, and then he's tied it, right? And then he's taken that ring off. He's obviously going to use that ring for something. So that's what it is. I thought it was a ring for a finger, but it's not. It's actually a piece of wire that he's made. He's custom made that ring by using a piece of wire to fit around that bottle. The wire looks like it's from maybe, where would he get that wire from? Probably fencing, a piece of fencing wire. It fits really well. What is that? What?
Terus kita panaskan.
I have to stop it. I have no idea what that is. Has he got a candle there? Or is that just a... Ah! Oh, wow! Wow! I just figured it out, what it was. Wow, that is incredible. He's taken out the inner plastic tube that's from the lighter and added that, or made an extension on top of his lighter, right? And that paper clip is what holds the thing down. So when he lights it, it releases the gas. It's like when you hold it down, it opens the gas up. It opens the gas, right? And then it lights, and then it stays open. When it's lit, it stays open. So that's what that paper clip does. It keeps that gas open, and the gas is traveling up the tube and coming out at the top. So he can now work up close with his bottle. I thought it was a candle. But it's not. It's actually the inner part of one of the cigarette lighters. A tube. A thin plastic tube. Wow. And it's quite robust too, because it will take the heat. Maybe it's made from silica. I'm not sure. But I see he's heating up the metal ring around the bottle.
Yang dipanaskan kawatnya ya, jangan kacanya.
So simple, so practical.
Kalau yang dipanaskan kacanya, dia retak kemana-mana.
I wonder how many times it takes to get this perfect. If you get it all in one shot, then wow. Because to find a bottle of that size... Oh, did you hear that? It went pop. Ah. What? 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 No way!
Sekarang dipotong bagian sininya.
I worked in the glass industry for 32 years. I tried that, and that is so simple and so effective. Wow, that is really, really good. Wow, I guess you couldn't do that with tempered glass. If that glass was tempered, there's no way you could do that. But that's not tempered glass. Glass is a liquid, right? And by heating up that ring, you're putting a weak spot in the glass, right? It's weak. And as soon as you put it in the cold water, it breaks, right? It has a reaction, like a cold chisel. When you heat up metal really hot and you put it in cold water, it hardens it, you see, it hardens. But in this case, you're reversing that process, right? It's back to front, because the rest of the bottle isn't hardened. It's just that where it's been heated, that's where it's been hardened. And because it's pulling that glass in, it's making it weak and makes it want to break. And wow, that's amazing, really amazing. I wonder how long that lighter will last, the end, the plastic part, because it's always burning. Wow, that's really cool, man. Wow, it's so effective. It's so clean. I wonder what type of perfume that is. Can I use this bottle? No. I guess if I put all my fingers in there like that, slide it around. But, Wow, it's incredible.
segini lah.
Then he's going to do the other side. Coupe mana coupe. Doesn't take much, eh? Doesn't take much at all. Ooh. I didn't want to break. There we go. Wow. Wow, that's a nice job. Really nice job indeed.
Itu tinggal kita haluskan memakai amplas ya.
But he'll need to clean that glass up around the edges because it'll be quite sharp. If he doesn't, he will cut himself. So let's see what he does. Wow, looks really good. Ah, yes. He's got emery paper and a sharpening stone and some water. Yes.
Proses ngamplas ya.
Anyway, that will take some time to do, but it will have an excellent end result, I know. I love the way you sped it up. But the emery paper is the way to go. But it will take time. But it's looking good. It looks really good. Looks better than the one I bought in the shop. Here we go. We get to hear the music. I have no idea what that means. But, wow, that looks really good.
Yang sudah saya amplas tadi sore ya. Langsung aja kita coba.
Ah, nice fit. Oh yeah, here we go. Got some blues. Oh, this is sounding really good, man. I can see some chickens. The sun is coming down, and I'm relaxing on my porch. Pass me a cup of coffee. Coupe mana coupe. Ah. Wow. Me. Wow. Well done.
Lumayan lah.
Thumbs up. Yes. Wow, that was really, really good. Wow, that was a bit different than what I normally do, as in music, but we got to see some music being played by the thing that he made. That's a bit of, that is I saw the things that he made, that he had played on his guitar. Anyway, have a wonderful, wonderful new week. And everyone in Indonesia, take care and be safe. We are thinking of you. But anyway, matap, kuper, mana kuper. That's right. Alapas around the world. Peace and love to you all. And have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Yes. Wow. Well, I have to try and make one myself, but I have to find the right size bottle. I don't have any glass bottles. Anyway, be creative.